Today we are going to learn about animals and their young ones. Cow. Calf. A baby cow is called calf. Dog. Puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Cat. Kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Hen. Chick. A baby hen is called a chick. Sheep. Lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Tiger. Cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. Elephant. Calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. Lion. Cub. A baby lion is called a cub. Duck. Duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Deer. Fawn. A baby deer is called a fawn. Bear. Cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Horse. Colt. A baby horse is called a colt. Goat. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Dog. Puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Donkey. Foal. A baby donkey is called a foal. Giraffe. Calf. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Monkey. Infant. A baby monkey is an infant. Kangaroo. Joy. A baby kangaroo is called a joy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.